With time, humans have improved means of transportation with more efficient and convenient vehicles developing. The capacity, speed, efficiency, and geographic coverage of transportation systems have all improved considerably since the introduction of mechanized transportation. In today's video, we will tell you about the amazing advancement in transportation system and the unusual vehicles being made today. Barbagallo X01, the solar car. First one in our list is the Barbagallo solar car. A futuristic vehicle, Barbagallo is Italy's first solar electric vehicle. Barbagallo, unlike previous velomobile, was created with the goal of combining the benefits of bicycle pedal assistance with the absence of toxic emissions, noise, and fuel. With the comfort, security, protection, and design of a conventional car, the vehicle addresses registration, insurance, maintenance, and problems with parking and entrance in a limited traffic zone. The body of the X01 Barbagallo is comprised of a hardwood monocoque coated in carbon fiber, with a high-quality automotive film finish and a polycarbonate shell that holds a flexible photovoltaic panel. The interiors contain carpet and fabric, as well as leather that can be customized. The vehicle is equipped with a GPS alarm, windows, and a solar panel and weighs 55 kilograms. Seaflyer underwater scooter. A dream of every scuba diver and snorkeler, Seaflyer is the second vehicle on our list. It is a lightweight and strong water scooter which works in both fresh and salt water. The Seaflyer has a 60-minute runtime and can thrust up to 26 pounds with a capability of driving up to a depth of 45 meters. The underwater vehicle is rechargeable, washable, and has a battery that can be readily replaced. When not in use, it has the capacity to float to the top. The exceptional design of this incredible vehicle, as well as a comprehensive set of functions, enhance the underwater experience like never before. You may save your energy for extra bottom time by using positive buoyancy and a simple two-trigger operation. It comes with a comprehensive visual OLED dashboard that displays sensor data including speed, level, depth, temperature, and battery status. Its powerful water jets provide hydrodynamic propulsion, which improves water maneuverability. You can enjoy the company of all water life without disturbing them thanks to its quiet 50-decibel motor. Mobility scooter. It is critical to be able to move around quickly and comfortably. Mobility scooters are a fantastic invention in this regard, since they may provide elderly people who struggle with daily activities fresh freedom. The scooter allows disabled people to participate in activities that would be difficult to do without mobility assistance. With its effortlessly collapsible qualities, it's also a wonderful solution for regular travelers on the run. The scooter is small and light with easy-to-maneuver handles that are ideal for driving in confined spaces. It is a pretty fantastic mode of transportation because of its excellent user interface and the fact that it is ready to go in 10 seconds. Siwo stair climbing wheelchair teaser. In so many ways, this new generation of electric wheelchairs will astound you. The Scewo is the world's only electric wheelchair that can drive on two wheels and climb stairs. Scewo is an expert at curbsides, single steps, and stairwells. Its rails can transport you up and down on the straight stairs in a comfortable and safe way. It moves on two wheels by itself without the assistance of your upper body. You can maneuver safely and nimbly on varied surfaces thanks to its two big wheels. Scewo is a sensor-equipped robot that measures the environment and recognizes the end of a staircase on its own. You can use the Scewo app on your smartphone or the control panel that can be added to either side to control it. The hand joystick can be used to control the direction and speed. You can also switch between the two options with ease. Scewo is distinguished not just by its unique technology, but also by its striking design. It provides personalized seating comfort and, thanks to its regular software updates, continues to become more intelligent and expand its capabilities. Deep Flight Personal Submarine. Thanks to Deep Flight's personal submarine, you can now dive alongside great white sharks and fly through underwater canyons while navigating unexplored shipwrecks. This high-performance vessel travels through the water with remarkable speed, range, and agility, changing conventional submersibles' two-dimensional elevator experience into a thrilling ride through the water. With addition of a third cockpit, the Super Falcon 3S allows a qualified pilot to take two passengers on a once-in-a-lifetime underwater experience. Guests can sit in their own comfy form-fitting cockpit with their legs outstretched, taking in the incredible aquatic world around them. The Super Falcon 3S is certified by Lloyd's Register and features all of the safety features that deep flight submarines are known for. The Super Falcon 3S is positively buoyant, allowing it to float back to the surface on its own. The cockpit is a pressure hull that has been proven to protect humans from the ocean's external pressure. The channels of communication between the sub and the surface, as well as between the pilot and the passengers, are constantly open. Pilots may customize the experience to each guest's preferences, from a calm cruise beside marine animals to a thrilling fly over reefs and shipwrecks, thanks to the improved maneuverability. The Super Falcon 3S is quick, clean, and quiet thanks to its high-efficiency brushless DC drivetrain and submerged lithium-ion phosphate battery pack. Low electric signature and 40-volt system voltage make the sub safe to operate around swimmers and any large marine animals. The sub will never land on the bottom or on reefs since it lacks bottom skids. The Cross Fabrications Electrum LEV. The e-bike revolution has provided a viable alternative to driving a car. Electrum is a two-wheeler with a unique front and rear hub motor arrangement. Regenerative braking is supported by the rear direct drive hub motor, which is powerful and efficient at high speeds. The smaller geared hub motor on the front of the bike is used to help accelerate the Electrum, climb steep hills, and offer more grip. The Electrum was developed with repairability in mind and can go thousands of kilometers with little to no maintenance. The Electrum is mechanically basic, with the majority of the mechanical components and wiring hidden beneath the body panels. For maintenance, the panels can be readily removed. The drive chains are likewise hidden under panels, preventing chain grease from getting on the rider's clothing. The Electrum comes equipped with brilliant motorcycle tires, which are essential for any road vehicle. These tires are highway rated, which means they have more traction and a longer life on the road than ordinary bicycle tires. Cross fabrication used as many off-the-shelf parts as possible when designing the Electrum to help with reliability, replacement part sourcing, and time to market. Electrum owners will be able to maintain their investment on the road and out of the landfill thanks to a rational design and widely available components. The Electrum tailbox can hold up to 120 liters of freight, and the cargo hatch may be easily removed to provide room for a tiny adult or child passenger. Because the bike is made in small batches, there will be opportunities to customize it in the future, including numerous color options. That's it from today's video. We hope you enjoyed a trip to the future. If you did, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss out on the amazing videos like this in the future.